Happy holidays. Happy holidays. The wasabi apple's bringing you New York City this year. We are here in Midtown Manhattan, right at the top of Fifth Avenue, right where Central Park meets the city, to check out what Christmas is like here in the city this year. Let me tell you, there's plenty of cheer to be found. New York's holding on to the spirit, and we're gonna go find it. Feels so fancy. It's Santa. So bad for the horses. Let's save them. With everything that's happened this year, a lot of businesses decided to forego years-old traditions for a more subdued holiday season. But rest assured, we still found plenty of holiday magic and a wondrous sentiment that simply can't be found anywhere else. You know, New York's not an easy place to live, and sometimes, honestly, I kind of question why I'm even here, but then sometimes I know exactly why I'm here. If you get it, you get it. Back in the heart of the city, the energy really started to pick back up as we made our way towards Saks Fifth Avenue and the famous Rockefeller Christmas tree. York City is known for its Christmas markets. Countless people flock to the city to get all the best wares in town. And this year is no different with a little bit of change. Unfortunately, Union Square's market is closed, but Bryant Park is going strong. And the best part is that the ice skating is free. Let's go check it out. What's the shank of the night? Frank, what are you singing about? I think it's safe to say that the holiday spirit is alive and well in New York City this year.
He needs to go pee.
Me too.
Follow them.
Wait, where are you going? It's the Truffleist. Honey, salt, mustard, hot sauce, butter, cheese, truffle. Do you love truffle? I mean, you gotta make it down here. Forget a miracle on 34th Street. This is Wasabi Apple on 34th Street.
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and a Happy New Year.
From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for helping to make this such an amazing year. We cannot wait to see what the next has in store. Be healthy, be merry, and stay awesome, little apples.